Happy morning, students. Welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School online classes. Few classes we are talked about Unit 9 solutions. So today we are discuss about problems based on a solubility and percentage by mass and volume. So same unit, the Unit 9 solutions. So some of the problems are given. So we are discussed about problems. Okay. So first one is problems based on solubility. The question is 1.5 gram of solute is dissolved in 50 gram of water to form a saturated solution at 298 Kelvin. Find out the solubility of the solute at the temperature. So in this question there are solute is the 1.5 gram and solvent is the 50 gram. Okay. So already we know that solubility formula is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So we have a solute, mass of the solute and the solvent. So substitute the values and divide and multiply the 100. Okay. So mass of the solute 1.5 gram. So mass of the solvent 50 gram. The formula is, what is this? Solubility of solute equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So 1.5 divided by 15 into 100. So 10 gram. So the solubility of the solute is 10 gram. So நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? ஏற்கனவே formula தெரியும். We have discussed in the previous classes. So questionல என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? டைரக்டா values எல்லாமே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. என்னது mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. So solubility of the solute எவ்வளவு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு find out பண்ணணும். அதை நம்ம formula substitute பண்ணி find out பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? So the next one. This is the questions. Find the mass of potassium chloride would be needed to form a saturated solution in 60 gram of water at 303 Kelvin. Given the solubility of the potassium chloride is 37 divided by 100 gram at this temperature. Okay, so same formula we are applied, but mass of the potassium chloride we are find out. So in this question given in the, what is this? Mass of the potassium chloride in 100 gram of water in saturated solution is 37. So solubility is given, but we don't know about what is this mass of the solid. So mass of the potassium chloride in 100 gram of water in saturated solution is 37 gram. What is the formula? Solubility of the solid equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent. So solubility of the solvent is 37 divided by 100. Okay. Mass of the solid I don't know. I mean we don't know. But mass of the solvent is, what is this? 100. So mass of the potassium chloride in 60 gram equal to 37 divided by 100 into 60. So the answer is 22.2 gram. So same formula we have used it. What is the formula? Solubility of the solute equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So solubility of the solute equal to 37 equal to mass of the solute we don't know. So mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent, what is this? 60. Okay. So the formula is into 100. So என்ன பண்ணணும் இந்த 60 and 100 லெஃப்ட் சைடு எடுக்கணும், ரைட் சைடு வந்து லெஃப்ட் சைடு எடுத்துட்டு போகணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ எடுத்துட்டு போனால் என்ன ஆகும்? அப்போ 100 வந்து மல்டிப்ளைல இருக்கும், அப்போ இது டிவைடில் போயிடும். 60ன்றது என்னது? டிவைடில் இருக்கு, ஸோ மல்டிப்ளைல போயிடும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நீங்கள் ஃபார்முலாவில் அப்ளை பண்ணி போட்டு பாருங்க. ஓகேவா? இந்த கொஷினை என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க? ஃபார்முலாவில் அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு போட்டு பாருங்க. ஓகே. So this is the second one. So the next one is third one. So this is the third question. What is the mass of sodium chloride that would be needed to form a saturated solution in 50 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius? Solubility of sodium chloride is 36 gram at 30 degree Celsius. So how to we are find out the question number 2? Same method for the question number 3. Okay. So the question is given the solubility of the solute equal to 36 gram at 30 degrees Celsius and mass of the solute we don't know, and mass of the solvent is 50 gram. So the formula is, what is this? Solubility of the solute equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So solubility of the solute equal to 36. Mass of the solute we don't know, divided by mass of the solvent 50 into 100. So given in the question, at 30 degrees Celsius, 30 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water. So mass of the sodium chloride that would be needed for 100 gram of water equal to 36 gram. So mass of the sodium chloride dissolved in 50 gram of water equal to 36 into 50 divided by 100, that is 18 gram. So 36, actually the formula is solubility of the solute, that is 36. 36 is the left side. I will write in the formula. So solubility of the solute, that is 36 equal to mass of the solute we don't know. So mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent we know that what is this, 50. So 50 into 100. So mass of the solute, we find out the mass of the solute. So mass of the solute equal to 36 into 50 divided by 100. So 18 gram. Okay. So this is the method for solve the problem. So the next problem is the solubility of sodium nitrate at 50 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius is 114 gram and 96 gram respectively. So So find the amount of salt that will be thrown out when a saturated solution of sodium nitrate containing 50 gram of water is cooled from 50 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. So two temperatures are given. So separately we find out the what is this mass of the sodium nitrate, and finally answer we will get, and to answer or subtract we can get the answer. Okay, so first same formula, what is the solubility of the solute equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So solution, what is the given in the questions? So amount of sodium nitrate dissolved in 100 gram of water at 50 degrees Celsius is 114 gram. So first one is we find out the what is this amount of sodium nitrate dissolving in 50 gram of water at 50 degrees Celsius is equal to 114 into 50 divided by 100. So the answer is 57 gram. Next, we found out similarly the amount of sodium nitrate dissolving in 50 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius is what is this? 30 degrees Celsius எவ்வளவு amount of solubility of sodium nitrate is 96 into 50 divided by 100 equal to 48 gram. So 57 minus 48, so 9 gram. So this is the answer for the what is this? The solubility of sodium nitrate. So the amount of solute is dissolved in this sodium nitrate. So நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே என்ன பண்றீங்க ஃபார்முலால அப்ளை பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஃபார்முலா ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு அது என்னது solubility 114, ஓகேவா? மாஸ் ஆஃப் தி சொல்யூட் வந்து நமக்கு தெரியாது, ஸோ அது அப்படியே தான் இருக்கணும். மாஸ் ஆஃப் தி சால்வெண்ட் தெரியும். என்னது மாஸ் ஆஃப் தி சால்வெண்ட்? 50 கிராம். ஓகே, ஸோ 50 கிராம். நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்டு 100. ஓகே, ஸோ மாஸ் ஆஃப் தி சொல்யூட் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் ரைட் சைட்லயே வச்சுட்டு மீதி எல்லாத்தையும் லெஃப்ட் சைடு இருக்கும்போது அப்படியே என்ன பண்ணும் ரிவர்ஸ் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதனால 114 into 50 divided by 100. Same for the 96 into 50 divided by 100. Okay. So this is the fourth one. So these are the based on the solubility. So next one is we are solve the mass percentage. All of you know that what is the formula for the mass percentage. So mass percentage equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. So mass of the solution is the formula is a mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. Okay, already we know that the formula, so we are using the formula solve the problem. So the next question is, a solution was prepared by dissolving 25 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of solute. So sugar is dissolved in a water. So sugar is a solute and water is a solvent because the water is a dissolving agent. So the mass of the solute is the 25 gram, that is sugar. Next, mass of the solvent, that is 100 gram, that is water. So dissolving agent called as what is this? Solvent. And dissolved, which one is dissolved in a solvent, that is called solute. So sugar is dissolved in a water, so this is called a solute. So what is the formula for the mass percentage? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solutions. Solution formula is solute plus solvent gives solutions. So The solution formula is mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. So solute value is 25 plus mass of the solute 25 plus mass of the solvent 100. So into 100. 25 divided by 25 plus 100, 125. So finally we get 20 percentage. So mass percentage is 20 percentage. Very very simple method. Okay. Directly we put on the formula and substitute the values. We get the answer. Okay. So the next one. What is this? 16 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius to form a saturated solution. Find the mass percentage of the solute and solvent. So, so before the problems, we find out the mass percentage of the solute. Only we find out the mass percentage of solute. But in these questions, we find out the mass percentage of solute and solvent. So first we have to find out the mass percentage of the solute. So what is the formula? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent, that is the mass of the solutions. So mass of the solute, what is this? 16 gram, because the sodium hydroxide is dissolved in a water. So water is a dissolving agent. So water is a solvent and the sodium hydroxide is a solute. The solute value is 16 gram and the solvent mass is 100 gram. So directly we substitute the formula. So 16 divided by 16 plus 100 into 100. So 1600 divided by what is this? 1166. That is a 13.79 percentage. So this is the mass of the percentage of the solute. But we can find out the mass percentage of the solvent. So there is a another formula, that is 100 minus mass percentage of the solute. 100 minus mass percentage of the solute, what value? We find out the before value 13.79. So mass percentage of the solvent is 86.21 percentage. So mass percentage of the solute equal to 13.79 percentage and mass percentage of the solvent is 86.21 percentage. So carefully you read the questions. Okay, what we find out the in these questions. Okay, so the next question. Okay, find the amount of urea which is to be dissolved in water to get 500 gram of 10 percentage weight divided by weight aqueous solutions. So in this question given 10 percentage, that is mass percentage, 500 gram, that is the mass of the solution. So we find out the mass of the solute. What is we can find out mass of the solute. So what are the given mass percentage? Before problems we find out the mass percentage, but in this questions the mass percentage is given. So same formula is applied. So mass percentage WW. W divided by W means that weight divided by weight. So what is the formula? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. So mass percentage how much? 10. So mass of the solute, that is urea. So we don't know. So same mass of the urea. Mass of the solution 500 into 100. So the 100 is 500, 100. divide balance mass of the urea divided by 5. So the 5 is into left side. So 10 into 5, 50. So the mass of the urea, that is mass of the solute, equal to 50 gram. So these three problems we find out the mass of the percentage. So this problem based on the mass percentage. Okay. So next. So this problem is based on the volume to volume percentage. That is already we know that what is the volume percentage. Volume percentage equal to volume of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. So the first question. A solution is made from 35 ml of methanol and 65 ml of water. So calculate the volume percentage. So what is the formula for volume percentage? Volume of the solute divided by volume of the solute plus volume of the solvent into 100. So volume of the solute equal to 35. So water is the dissolving agent. So this is called as a solvent. So volume of the solvent is 65. So volume methanol is dissolved in a water. So methanol is a, what is this, a solute. So volume of the ethanol. Ethanol means that solute equal to 35 ml. So volume of the water, that is volume of the solvent, equal to 65 ml. So we to apply the formula. Volume percentage equal to volume of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. So volume of the solution formula is volume of the solute plus volume of the solvent. So volume of the solute plus volume of the solvent into 100. So 35 divided by 35 plus 65 into 100. So the answer is 35%. So the 100 cancel, totally 35%. The volume percentage is 35%. So we can find out the solubility. We can't put on the percentage because that is the solubility. But we find out the volume percentage, mass percentage, we put on the percentage symbol. So the next problem. Calculate the volume of ethanol in 200 ml solution of 20% VB aqueous solution of ethanol. So we will find out the volume of ethanol. So volume of the solution is given and volume percentage is given, that is 20%. So same formula we have used, but what we can find out, volume of the solute we find out. So how to find out the volume of solute? How to we are find out the mass percentage, that is mass of the solute. Same method for the volume of solute. So volume of aqueous solutions, that is these are the volume of solutions 200 ml. So volume percentage is 20%. These are the given data in the solutions, sorry, questions. So the formula is volume percentage equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So volume percentage equal to 20. We don't know the volume of solute, that is volume of ethanol. Same. Okay, volume of solution 200. So 100 divided by 200, that is, what is this? 2. So the 2 is go with left side. So 40 ml. 2 into 20, 40 ml. So this is the volume of ethanol. Okay. So in this class we discussed about What is this? Solubility of the solute and mass percentage and volume percentage problems. So already we discussed about the volume percentage and mass percentage solubility. So that based on the we can solve the problems. Thank you, student.